I'm here to do a tree removal. Here's the entrance. The tree's already been cut down. So there's the entrance to the hive. And over here is where it got cut in half. So you still see bees giving it attention. The other half of the tree, I already pulled the comb out. It looks like it's already been fully evacuated. So the bees probably moved on to another location. There's not many bees here. I mean, there's some bees, but there's no larvae. There's no activity of a queen. There's no honey to speak of. This is the original section that I pulled that comb out of the other side of that cut. So I'm going to go ahead and what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry that log off because I think it's interesting. I'd like to have it as a little souvenir. And also I'm going to just close this up with some screening, and that way I don't have to worry about maybe there's a chance there's a queen in there. If that's the case, then maybe I can catch her and I'll just bring her home. But for right now, I'm just gonna zip this up or enclose this. I already smoked them and I cut up some screening, and I'm just gonna encapsulate them with the screen. Setting a little too deep on this. So I need to open her up. And pull that back. My goal with this is just to get them to where they won't escape. I brought a trailer to bring them home in. I just want them to hold their position for the ride home. Yeah, this gun is a little stronger than I need. It's kind of pin right here, so I need to double it up, I guess. Right there. I gotta double it up so it doesn't peel off. So this aluminum window screen. I also brought some called 1/8 inch cloth, metal cloth. I think this is going to do the trick. Battery might be low. It's got a ton of battery. Oops. See if that's all sealed up. I think it is. More spots. Alright, so that side's closed up, and I'm going to go around to the entrance. This one's probably going to be a little more tricky. Oops. I don't think there's a colony in there. If there were, they would be reacting a little differently. Yeah, I'm gonna need a larger section of screening this. There should be bees coming out here, and there's not. Like I said, I was more interested in the wood than I was the bees this time of year. It's a little difficult. Be successful with a late season cutout. I mean, they're definitely doable, but you have more success if you were earlier in the season. Yeah, I should have more bees flying around me right now. So these guys must have absconded. Done here. So I get them home. I'll do a separate video on that. Yeah, I think I closed up real good here. Bought this stable gun just for this project, these type of projects. Yeah, I think they can get out of there. Okay. That's that's it for now. Like I said, I'll do a second video on removing them and putting them in a hive.